Save the blossom for cooking. Early morning in my backyard. Nice and breezy. Lots of fruit. And here is my Big Jim Loquat. This one is grafted. អានេះដើម Big Jim Big Jim ផ្លែ Loquat បងប្អូនមែកនេះផ្សំចេញពីដើមវាមកហ្មងណា Okay and I recently plant some more banana tree along the fence and I plan to do more. These are my banana tree. That's the new one that I just planted. And here is my dwarf banana. This is Namwa. And here is my Big Jim Loquat tree that I grow from seed. I have actually grow 3 of them, but I just cut one out, cut one down because I have 2 more to go right there. And this is the 3rd year of growing from the seed. ដើម Loquat នេះខ្ញុំបដិសចេញពីគ្រាប់បងប្អូនដើមនេះខ្ពស់ហ្នឹង3ឆ្នាំហ្នឹងខ្ញុំទំកាប់ចោលមួយដើម and this is my cherry moya tree អានេះទៀបប្រាំង and this one is Big Jim as well. I grow from seed, but I put it in a pot right here. Yep. And here is my green onion, and here is the invader. You gotta go, buddy. You can't eat my stuff. Gotta go. I'm giving you a favor. I'm sending you to my neighbor's yard. So here it is. Neighbor's yard. Here is my kaffir lime leaf. Grow in a pot. You know what it is? Curry leaf. ដើមកន្ទ្រោបបងប្អូន and here is my other 2 of the dwarf banana. As you can see, it produces flower, but it doesn't produce fruit. But you know, I just let it stay there, showing me unconditional love, even though it doesn't produce fruit for me. And here is another blossom. I hope this one produce some fruit for me this year. You guys, look at this. I'm going to replant this banana. I'm going to dig up the root and I'm going to plant upside down to get more pop. See right here? There's a new pop. កូនជេកបងប្អូន and one more here. One more here. I see 3 puff on this root. So I'm going to remove the root here. I'm going to clean it up. Plant it upside down. Like so. Compost.